Getting stacks, bitch. Yeah, I'm getting stacks, bitch. Get stunting over here, get snatched, bitch. Take a brick, break it down, do backflips. Roll deep, MOB, all black whips. Stacking bread like the muffin man, it's all me. Niggas trash, can't touch, call it hands free. Only mission is to win, no plan B. Broke niggas sit down, y'all can't stand me. Got my baby right here, standing by my side. Getting money if it kill us, man, let's ride or die. Either way, man, we gon' fly. Private jets in the cloud, that's how you touch the sky. Everybody wanna be a rapper. Everybody wanna talk trap shit. Everybody wanna claim the hard life, saying nobody ever had shit. But I'm calling your bluff, fam. Y'all niggas stay with a silver spoon. Seeing your friends and brothers trapping, now y'all think that shit cool, but it ain't. I'm here to spit the real shit for the real niggas that can't. That's in the box or in the box doing time for that dank. Some pills, some coca putting in work. That same nigga, if you breathe wrong, his crew gon' go berserk. But I bet if you wax, he will tell you in a minute, that's not cool. Use your brain, education, gotta get it. Who made me? Nigga, I made me. Should give bread for the dick. Fuck you, pay me. Put the toast to that grill, niggas fillet meat. Boys is pussy these days, yeah, that's scared beef. All I know is grind hard. Got ambition in the drive, in the cold heart. I go dumb on these beats, but I remain smart.